Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video. So the brake fluid in your car is one of those essential fluids that you must replace, otherwise you run the risk of not having enough stopping power when you need it in an emergency. So then the question is, how do you know when to replace your brake fluid? Well, that's why we're going to have a look at this awesome brake fluid tester from Kaiweets. And as always, guys, if at the ending of the video you want to purchase this awesome brake fluid tester from Kaiweets and help support the channel, make sure you check out the link in the description below because we do get a commission if you purchase this item. And of course, before getting started, just want to thank the good folks out at Kaiweets for sending me this brake fluid tester to review. Let's get started. Before getting started, here's some quick user tips. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that you have the correct brake fluid type selected here. The second thing I noticed when I checked my brake fluid is that the yellow alert looks green, but if it's beeping at you and it looks green, it's most likely yellow. Pay attention to the percentages on the screen. And then the last thing I noticed is I got my most accurate reading when I just skimmed the surface of the brake fluid instead of dipping the whole thing down into the brake reservoir. So just skim the surface of the brake fluid. Here's a quick size reference just so you get a better idea for the overall size of this brake fluid tester. Here it is next to a large permanent marker. This device is incredibly easy to use. Let me show you around. So in the box, you're going to get two AAA batteries and they just insert from the back. You just got two switches down here. You're going to long press to turn it on. You're going to use this S to cycle through your different types of fluid. So that's dot 3. You got 4 and 5.1. Long press to turn off. Alright, with the device turned on, you're just going to take these probes and dip it down into your brake fluid reservoir. And I'm just going to touch the tips here. And you're going to say to either turn green, yellow, or red. So if it's green, you're pretty much good. Yellow, you're going to want to think about changing it soon. And if it's red, you definitely want to swap out that brake fluid. Now you're going to notice that when you take your reading, it's going to be upside down like this. So you're going to use this S to hold. And then you can turn it right side up so you can view your results. What this device is doing is testing the amount of moisture that you have in your brake fluid. The more moisture, the worser your stopping power. So this is just some ordinary tap water. We're going to take this and dip it in here. And there you go, red alert. Alright, got some fresh brake fluid. Going to dip it down in here and it should turn green with no beeping. Perfect. So let's see what happens when we add some water into this mixture and then do a reading. Back to red. And to close it up, here are the percentages that correspond to the green, red, and yellow alerts. Once again, guys, this brake fluid tester is by Kaiweets. As we've seen, incredibly easy to use. You definitely want to have this in your garage so you can make sure that you change out your brake fluid at the right time. So when you need your braking power, you're going to have it. Well, all right, guys, this is the ending of the video. Remember, if you want to purchase this awesome brake fluid tester from Kaiweets, make sure to check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.